Hey guys, my name's Roy. I'm the owner of Good Guys Gardening Center, and I'm down here with my daughter Isabella. And we were talking yesterday, and Isabella's been asking me lately. She's in grade 1 now, and she wants to start earning money. And she wants to start a business. Maybe that's because her parents own businesses, and she's been asking, "What can I do to make money? What can I do to make money?" And yesterday I was moving around some of my plants, some of my ivy plants that I'd cloned, and she came up to me, and she had a big plant in her hand, and she said, "Daddy, can I buy this from you?" And so what we've done is we have worked out a mutually agreeable business plan, and she wanted to do a video today because what she's doing now is she is doing cuttings and clonings of house plants, and then she's selling them to raise money. And this is her first business at 6 years of age. So Isabella, do you want to tell them a little bit about Isabella's plant shop and what you're doing and that kind of idea?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi everybody, I'm Isabella, and I have plants, and this is how much they cost.
Well, you don't have to worry about telling them about the price right now, Isabella, but let me ask you a couple of questions. Are there different sizes of plants?
Yes.
And do you have different pot colors?
Yes.
And do you have prices that range from very economical to maybe a little bit more expensive?
Yes.
Fantastic. And will you do cuttings for people if they want a different type of plant?
Yes.
And is it true, the rumors I've heard, that this is the next plant that you're going to be cloning?
Yes.
And can we expect that you're going to be doing some type of video on you cloning these?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm going to be looking forward to seeing that. Is there anything else that you would like to tell the people?
No.
No, maybe as your business partner, as a 50-50 business partner after hard costs, I'm going to encourage you guys to come down, check out Isabella's plant shop, and talk to Isabella about cloning house plants. Thanks, guys. Take care.